Hey guys, I'm currently at Xiaomi outlet here in Suzhou Joy City Mall, and I'm here to see this Xiaomi electric vehicle series. This is their first electric vehicle ever, and the cars are awesome. This is this Xiaomi Su7. Wow, isn't that awesome? Just like a Porsche. And I'll be going into this car now to have a look. Imagine those wheels. Wow, this is awesome. Let's have a look. Wow. The Xiaomi Su7. Wow, this is awesome. I'm here to see how this car looks like. I love this car. Love the finishing, love the LCD display. Can you see that? Wow, that's awesome. This is just the map of this area. Wow. Think about this car. This is the first series, okay? Xiaomi electric vehicle. This is their first series, and this car looks awesome. Wow. Look at that leather seats. Very awesome. What do you think? And you can see there's a glass roof here, okay? This is a glass roof. This is awesome. Man, I do love this car. I love the feel of this car, how it feels on my hand. I just love the ambience, everything about this car. It looks very, very nice. Wow. Xiaomi has done a great work in this car. Nice finishing. Wow, can you see the gear? Reverse, neutral, drive, parking. That's awesome. And it's also a start-stop vehicle. Okay, has start-stop function. Imagine that sounds display system. It's really awesome. We're currently going to have a test drive. So I'll be having a test drive with this car in a few seconds. This vehicle is trying to park. You can see there is no driver. We're trying to park and it's doing automatic parking for us. It's trying to park. That's awesome. You can see. So the vehicle has parked. Wow.
挺好，它会自，我们也可以就是实现先下车让它自己停的。
Today is Monday and the government has actually gave an injunction that every schools and offices should be closed down today.
中国人喝茶比较讲究，像这种地方很少有人搁这儿喝茶，一般都是得有店面里、店铺里那种茶庄里头，喝茶也是一种品味。
说 hello。
说的不标准。
So guys, I'm just walking, taking a stroll around the streets of Hamburg. Hamburg shop. What do you see? What do you think? Wow, can you see that boat behind me?